Hello, my amazing friends. Today, I've got a powerful book summary that can reshape the way you think about success, money, and personal growth. This isn't just about getting rich, it's about unlocking your true potential.
1. Introduction. This book isn't just about getting rich. It's about developing the mindset for success in any area of life. Napoleon Hill spent 25 years studying 500 successful people, including Henry Ford and Thomas Edison. 2. The power of thoughts. Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Hill says our thoughts are powerful. Wealth starts with a clear, burning desire. 3. Desire, the starting point. You must know exactly what you want. Set a goal, write it down, visualize it daily. Desire backed by faith is the foundation of success. 4. Faith. Belief is key. Believe in yourself and your goal. Use affirmations and visualization. Faith turns thoughts into reality. 5. Autosuggestion. Train your mind. Repeat positive statements daily. Your subconscious mind listens. Control your thoughts to attract success. 6. Specialized knowledge. It's not about general education. Learn what you need to know. Surround yourself with experts if needed. Imagination. Use it creatively. Ideas are the beginning of fortune. Use your imagination to solve problems and build plans. 8. Organized planning. Create a step-by-step plan. Take action, adjust if needed, but never quit. 9. Decision, don't procrastinate. Successful people make decisions quickly and firmly. Indecision leads to failure. 10. Persistence. Never give up. Keep going despite failures. Persistence separates winners from losers. 11. Power of the mastermind. Surround yourself with like-minded people. A group of brains creates a powerful force. 12. The subconscious mind, your thoughts and beliefs shape your reality. Feed your mind with positivity and purpose. 13. The brain, broadcasting station. Your brain sends and receives vibrations. Stay focused on positive frequencies.